So welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to simplify your Linux command using the alias, one of the easiest way to save time and boost your productivity. So let's discuss about the alias. In the Linux, the alias command lets you create the custom shortcuts for long or frequently used commands. For example, instead of typing ls-alf, you can just type the ll command, or see I executed the alias command to view existing aliases. To am executing ls-al capital F and ll command, so you can see the output is same. So here I am going to set a temporary set of alias. So here you can see I am typing the alias updating the short command and equal to your command. So equal to in single quote, I am giving the whole command, whole long form command, and when you can see in the alias the update is set. So I have executed the update, and here you can see the long form command is executed. Here it is running. The alias will work until you close the terminal. So I have set it temporary. So this alias will work until you close the terminal. So if you want to make an alias permanent, you have to open your .bashrc or bash profile file. For process is for temporary purpose. So now I am going to show you how you can make a permanent, how you can create or make permanent alias. So if you first you have to check in your Linux system the .bashrc file or bash underscore profile file. You can make changes in any one of the file. So here you can see I am showing you in my system .bashrc or .bash underscore profile file. So in my system .bashrc file will be available. Now you can see .bashrc file is showing me. Now we will make changes in .bashrc file through the VI editor, or you can choose any preferred your editor. So I am using the Vim. In the last line of the file, we will write alias and the short name which you want to give. So update I am giving equal to, in single quote I am giving the full command. So here you can see I am writing the sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade command. So I don't need to run whole command in every time. So I will only execute the update. So now after making changes in the .bashrc file, you have to again refresh your aliases. Here you can see the alias is not updated after making the changes in the file. So source.bashrc will refresh your variables, and here you can see the alias is showing the command, and again I am executing the update command. Here it runs. So if you set alias temporary, then you can unalias through the unalias command. So unalias and the short name of your command, or either you can exit from that session and again open your session. So you can see the alias command. So alias will be removed. So here you can see an alias, and I have given the update. So this will remove the alias, temporary alias. So if you have make changes in the permanent, so then we have to again open your .src file and remove that alias command, alias line, and again refresh your variable source and .bashrc. So here you can see this will be permanent, and if you need a temporary, then you can unalias. So thank you very much.